Good morning. Welcome back to Tuesday Thoughts for week number 14. Moving right along. All right, so our quote for the week this time is from Mark and Angel Chernoff, who say, "When you have two good choices, always go with the one that scares you the most because that's the one that will help you to grow." So, finding ways to challenge yourself, finding ways to challenge others, never look to be the same. Because when others are progressing, you staying the same means you're falling farther behind. So always try to find ways to improve yourself. And then our bonus quote for the week, focusing on the positives does not mean that you are ignoring the negatives. It simply means that you're choosing to have more joy. There are positives and there are negatives in life. And so many people tend to focus on those negatives, and you can tell they just lack joy. I'm challenging you to be realistic. Focus on those things that are going well. Recognize those things that are going wrong. Deal with those things. But that's not where the focus of things should be. Make sure that you're focusing on the positive, being encouraging, be uplifting, find joy in your life. Now, our random fact for the week, you would write out a few sentences and look and count the number of letters in there, and pretty well predict how some things would go with that. I think we're all familiar with the fact that the letter E is the most commonly used letter in the English alphabet. Okay? It's about 11% of all words in our language contain the letter E. That's kind of surprising a little bit, I think. At least it is to me. The next most popular letter is A from there. Oddly enough, the least common letter is Q. Personally, I thought it would have been Z or X, but apparently it's Q. So there you go. Little known facts for you there to know and tell, right? And finally, our random word definition for the week, breatharian. Yes, that's right, a breatharian. This is an individual who thinks that it is possible, and they firmly believe that it is possible through meditation to reach a level of consciousness where you only need air to survive. Breatharian. Have a great week.